What's up, guys? What I have for you today is a review of a computer program called Google Earth. Google Earth is basically you can explore around the planet and you can find points of interest such as restaurants, hotels, places you can sightsee. So let's open up the program. Okay, X that out. Alright, so here's the Earth. Now here's your Fly To tab. This tab you can search in places. So let's say I wanted to search for Apple Inc. in California. Okay. And then it'll have a list right here. In this case, we want to go to, as you can see, we're in Apple Inc. right now. Now, for the places you search, when you move your cursor in parts of the building, they are highlighted. And you click that, you get a picture of that building depending on that view. So let's close this. Let's look at the options you have here. Borders and labels. So I have that checked on right now, so we're going to zoom out. Okay, so let's say if I were to uncheck that, you can see that the borders aren't there anymore, as well as the labels such as the name of the states, etc. And then you have your Places tab. And then you have Photos, so let's go back to Apple. Alright, so you see this icon right here. This icon is to view the pictures of that area. As you can see, that's the front of Apple's headquarters. So if we were to uncheck it, you can see that the photo icons aren't there anymore. And then of course you have 360 cities, roads. You have this checked on. You can see like the roads highlighted as well as the name of them. Uncheck it. You don't see them anymore. 3D buildings. Non-3D. 3D. And then of course you have photorealistic, gray, trees, ocean. Alright, so as you can see, we are on the ocean right now, and if we unchecked it, you can see that all the borders and numbers aren't there anymore. Check it again. They're back. And then you have weather, which if you have that checked on, you get the temperature of the certain places. So let me check that on. As you can see, currently in Cupertino or around there, it's like 54 degrees Fahrenheit. And currently in the Eastern time, it is 8:13 in the morning. Uncheck that. Then you have gallery. And it just pop up all these different icons here. And of course, gallery, you have 360 cities, ancient Rome 3D, Discovery Networks, earthquakes, every trail, European Space Agency, Gigapond photos, Gigapixel photos, Google Earth Community, NASA, National Geographic. You have all this stuff. So, and if we uncheck it, they're not there anymore. Global awareness. Uncheck it, and then you have more. Which basically gives you the date of certain places. Alright, so the Find Business tab, this is basically you can find like certain places to explore, such as this one they have here, museums. So to show you that, I'm gonna fly to Connecticut. Okay. Alright, now they have pizza. Okay. So we'll do Pizza Hut. And as you can see, there are multiple places where you can find Pizza Hut. Directions. it's basically you go from address to another address, so we're gonna use Apple Inc. to get there. And then we're gonna choose, we'll choose Pizza Hut, I guess. Okay, so as you can see, it gives you the highlighted route on where you're gonna start to get to Apple. Okay, it kind of lagged a little bit over there. So as you can see here, oh, got the wrong place, but you get the idea. Now, my favorite feature about this program is that you get Street View. Street View is basically like, it lets you see the streets as if you were on them. All you have to do is take this icon here and drag it on a route. And as you can see, it's going to take us into Street View mode. Okay, and you can pan around, go forward, go backwards, and you can get a close-up view of what places look like. And of course you have your compass right here, so click north, brings us back straight, click to move around. Of course this is to zoom in or zoom out, so out, in, and we'll keep it minimum. Let's exit out of Street View, get back into position here, and we're going to zoom out. Now you have this thumbtack icon here where you can add a place mark, and of course we can add it right there, and we can title it, okay, whatever. And then of course you can add polygon, add path, add image overlay, and you can record a tour actually. Okay, now show historical image, so you can basically take a time period back on time, or take the current one to see what it looked like back then. So as you can see, in 1948 everything was black and white, and let's say we were to scroll to 2001 or around 2001, 2002, that's what it looked like back then. So we click this, it's now dark, unclick it, it's daylight. Now, if you wanted to view different parts of the world such as the sky, you can. So we're going to click the sky. And as you can see, we are out of Earth, and you can actually see the solar system. Let's go to Mars. So that's what Mars looks like. You can zoom in. You can check out places. What it is and what it's called. Let's go to the moon. Alright, pretty cool. And you can use a ruler. And you can email this or print. Overall, I think Google Earth is a great application where you can search for stuff, points of interest, places you can sightsee, etc., etc. I definitely can recommend Google Earth. If you want to download this, there will be a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you click the subscribe button. If you know anybody, friends or family that have a YouTube channel that love watching tech videos, tell them to come on over and check my videos out and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.